what's up everybody? Got a whole heap of nice. I pass, whole heap of breeze, I blow. Hope you can hear me, because the breeze rough. So, today is Labor Day, and I'm out laboring. I'm actually working today. So I'm doing a photo shoot today for this. These lovely people coming behind me. It's little girl's birthday, and yes, we're doing a photo shoot. Labor Day. Gone are the days when people mix concrete and do a whole heap of work on Labor Day. Today, Labor Day, they're making a fashion statement. See them again? Or yourself, you will see picture them. Alright, so back at the local location again. Same local location I tell me always go. You know the location already. The one location we open right now because everywhere else lock up. Yeah, we're gonna take some picture. Should be fun, should be real fun today. And as usual, I'll try to incorporate some photos so that you can see what the work look like. See? Stay tuned, see you later. Yeah, so we're ready. We're gonna be doing this now. Let's do this. Good. Come here. Come after the light. Hold it right there. Nice, look at the camera. I like that. Yeah. Come on, pretty girl. What's that? Come on. Yeah, I like that. Keep it going, girl. Bring your hand down a little bit. Do not block your face. I like that. Pretty girl, I like that. You're so pretty, my God. Miss Jamaica, nice. I love it. Keep it going, girl. Stand up, my fashion queen. Stand up, stand up, stand up. To me, turn around and do like this and look back at me. Yes, like that. Wow. Pretty girl. Yeah. How old are you now?
4.
4? Give me a 4. Give me a 4. Give me a 4. Yeah. Oh, she is so pretty. Like, come on this side. Like, come on this side. Come again. Ready? Keep it going, girl. Keep it going. I like the energy. I like the energy. Woo! That look like you said Gaza, me say. Yes, I love that. Favor, you look like mommy. Look at this. Isn't that nice?
You like it?
You like it?
More?
She's gonna take a lot more. Don't worry. 1, 2, 3, go! Perfect. Yes. Yeah. Woo! One more. Come on, Jada. Give me a peace sign. Nice, I like that. Come on, pretty ladies. It's very windy, but I'm still trying to make a video. If you guys like this video, please remember to leave a comment, give the video a thumbs up, alright? And remember to subscribe if it's your first time on this channel, alright? You need to subscribe. If you're watching this video and the word subscribe is still in red, it means that you're not subscribed. You need to click subscribe, alright? Thank you so much for watching. Keep watching, we're still shooting. I'm not finished as yet. Yeah, this location is very nice location, but grass brown. I will still make it work. Yeah. Labor Day photo shoot. Come on, ready? Ready, smile a while and give your face a rest. Raise your hand. Really, girl? That's what you smile? You're not smiling. Yeah, let's start with a jump shot, alright? You want to jump, you gotta jump and bend your legs so you go as high as possible, alright? 1, 2, 3, go! Nice! Yes! It's for hello. Oh, mister. It's perfect. It's so perfect. Perfecto. Be gone. Alright, mommy, I might probably need to change this lens. Come at the angle, like right here, so. Good. Alright, so I'm going to shoot from way out here, so. Hold on. This one's a test shot, alright? Alright, so you come right this way the bench there. Draw the light towards them. Go back a little bit more. Right there's good. Thank you. Let's do one more. Hold on. I need to fix one thing here. Ready? Again, come on. Yeah, more. Mommy, bring it, turn the head down a little bit more. Like, ready? Look in the camera. So both of you put your hands on the hip now. Yeah. Perfect. 50mm, yeah. But I'm going to use the 50mm one now. Pose like a supermodel. Look at me. Wow. Girl. Hold it. See me. Nice. Keep it. Ready? Looking good. So the breeze, the breeze made them pop a while ago, you know? That's your lame, man. That's how the breeze gone if you go. Ready? You know, I'm look for you. Wait. Oh, Jesus. Hold on, baby. Hold on, I'm gonna show it to you. Don't worry. I'm gonna show it to you. Okay, guys. I hope you guys can see this. I'm not able to see what the GoPro is getting. So, ready, guys? Light, come right here, sir. Right, that's a good. Go look a bit closer. Yeah, no one said me I go pay you. Ready? Nice, I like it. Let me get some grass at the front of this. Woo! Give mommy a kiss. Don't look at the camera, just kiss mommy, yes. Oh, let's go. One more. Yes. Again, nice. Come closer with light. Come closer with light. Smile. Smile. Yeah, right in your face now, baby. Good job. I am done. Let's go home. Alright, we just finished the photo shoot a while ago. I check our intro, say we're not leaving anything. We see one item that we were about to leave. Watch this. Yeah, so we almost leave a lens cap. So usually after every photo shoot, we normally double check the area, just walk around and look. Ensure so nothing to leave. Alright guys, so that's it for this Labor Day video. We just finished shooting and it went well. People them kind of stress me out. Miss, when me just take a picture a while ago, you know easy. Them have me take like me take almost at least 500 pictures. One little baby photo shoot, but so I me like my job and them like the quality of the work. So each time I try to stop them, force them to continue and I'm ready. So shall we on our drive to come pick up now or taxi or whatever you know and you're gonna head home. Is it? Pick up on yourself. Remember if you like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram guys. I'm trying to build up my Instagram follower base. So see me, I'm gonna post, I'm gonna start showing the picture on Instagram. So we need to check out Instagram.